Hey guys, it's Alan.
And Kanani.
And welcome back to
Nani
Vibes. Here at Knott's Berry Farm, we actually finally gave in to getting passes.
I'm super excited to just, see what's new in Knott's Berry Farm because I heard there's like new rides and new like attractions here, so I want to check them out.
We were thinking of not get, we were pretty much thinking if we should get passes or not because, we don't really come that much often, but since it's been about how many years?
It's been more than 3 years, I believe.
Yeah.
Or like 2.5 years.
Yeah, probably the last time that we came was when we were actually Scary Farm actors.
Yeah.
If you guys don't know, we were Scary Farm actors.
Yeah.
And we ended up using our complimentary tickets to come to the park one time around Christmas time.
Right.
Without all the talking, babe, got anything else to say?
Let's go ahead and take you along on a journey to Knott's Berry Farm.
Let's go, guys. Alright guys, so since we are here, we're actually waiting for a couple friends to actually get here, park their car so that we can go with them into the park. We got all night, we got all day, but right now, I think we're just gonna go check out some shops, right babe?
Yeah, I cannot wait to check out the shops because I've been dying for Knott's candy and I'm dying for those boysenberry licorice straws, and I cannot wait to go get my hands on those right now.
Yeah, so guys, let's go ahead and see what exactly that they do have. From some stuff it could be, same on from the last time that we went. Some things could be new.
Or merch new or something.
That
or maybe
too.
some desserts for the 100th anniversary or something we can try. Something boysenberry because I'm craving boysenberry every day.
Yeah, so who knows? Let's go see what they got. Alright guys, so if you don't know, Kanani is a sucker when it comes to souvenirs or gifts and everything like that.
Look at this chapstick. It's a boysenberry chapstick. I might have to get me this one.
It's like I said, Kanani is going crazy with all the stuff here. Look what she found. Yeah, when we were working here at Scary Farm, our most favorite thing that we liked was the shortbread cookies that actually had the boysenberry jam in it. But from what we see, everything that they do have here, they have everything from the preserves, from the jams to the sauces. They even funnel cake mixes and all that stuff.
Look at this cute cup, guys. It's like a little mason jar, but it's like a coffee cup too. You can put iced tea or coffee in here, and it's our 100th cup, and it's $14.99. Look at this other tumbler, Knott's tumbler.
It's kind of like a mason jar.
You could definitely put your iced tea or your fruit punch or your teas or your lemonades. It's $12.99.
It's pretty cool. I said, she's going crazy in here. She's telling me so much and everything about what we see. But actually, there's one thing that I do see that you could actually get in here. You don't even need a ticket to go inside Knott's. My most favorite thing to get when we come to Knott's, the most famous sarsaparillas. Guys, if you like root beer, this is 10 times better than root beer.
They even have peppermint sarsaparilla. Oh my gosh, guys. Even boysenberry chocolate sarsaparilla.
Okay, I don't know about that. That sounds kind of weird.
It kind of sounds weird, but it probably tastes good.
You think so?
I gotta try it. Look what I found. I found my favorite corner. It's literally all coffee beans. I knew I smelled coffee somewhere.
And guys, look, this is exactly what I mean when it comes to Knott's. I remember growing up going to Knott's. If you guys remember, back in middle school, they used to hold these field trips to go to Knott's. I remember when the Mystic Lodge was open, they would take all the students there and everything. They would take you on the mine carts, right, babe? Do you remember that?
I went actually to a lot of field trips at Knott's, and I would love to just sightsee everywhere here, literally.
And I know Crystal and Chris would absolutely love this. I know if you guys haven't, check out their channel at Crystal and Chris on YouTube. All their videos, they love Halloween, guys, and I'm pretty sure they will love all these little decorations. I'm pretty sure from what we remember, they have their little video of their decorations inside their place. But if you guys haven't, go ahead, check them out. But check this out, guys. This is sick.
So whoever you guys remember Spooky Farm, that they have during the day for the kids, and then Knox Scary Farm at night. Well, this is the merch here. We found so cute shirts right here. There's like little like Snoopy shirts. There's like little cups, and it looks like it to be on sale right now. So it gets us ready for the Halloween season. So if you guys are looking for some Knox spooky shirts, they're gonna be over here in the, I believe, the peanut store. Peanut store. I think that's what it's called. But yeah.
We just went through the turnstiles. We are officially Knott's pass holders. Guys, this is what Kanani has been actually waiting to do for like a long time. She kept asking, are we gonna get the physical ones? Because when you actually do it online or mobile, it's on mobile. But we were wondering if we were gonna get the physical ones, and we got the physical ones.
We got them, yay!
By the way, guys, look at Kanani's shirt. So you guys saw her with her red shirt earlier when we got here.
Yeah.
She picked this out.
Yeah.
It looks really cute, guys. Don't you think? For the shirt, give a thumbs up. Alright guys, you guys smell the chilies over here in Fiesta Village. This reminds us of Scary Farm.
Yes.
We were scare actors
monsters.
back in 2017. This was our first and last scare zone that we've ever done. Looking at it during the day, kind of brings back a little bit of memories.
It's bringing back a lot of memories just walking through here. I was a senorita.
And I was a sugar skull.
Yes.
But the whole, you know, for us scaring at Scary Farm on streets, I think we've had a ton of fun.
We did.
When we're doing it in Fiesta.
Yes.
No doubt, yo.
Alright guys, so now if you guys are into the Knott's Berry Farm like terms and everything, we have officially crossed the tracks. Alright guys, so the ladies got matching shirts. Cute, right guys?
Yes.
Very cute.
It's been hot. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that was our plate that they had over at the Boardwalk Barbecue.
Yeah, it looks good on the outside, but inside it's not good. The only thing that was good was the macaroni, and it was so delicious and cheesy, but everything else was like bleh.
We were excited for the chicken. The chicken's not that bad.
No,
It was
not that
probably
bad.
a little
I'll give
bit
it a 5.
a little bit undercooked. The cornbread was really dry.
The cornbread was nasty,
But everything else was like okay,
and the
but
boysenberry
like
pie was.
yeah, I'm sorry Knots, but the boysenberry
Sorry.
pie that we got, which is not that.
Try the cheesecake though. Maybe that will redeem. It would redeem themselves for that.
Fool for you, just another player in this game or two. You may hate me, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye.
You know that you're beautiful.
No doubt, yo.
Alright guys, so this is our very first time doing Berry Tales.
Very first time.
And we're actually doing it with the Sky Fam. But other than that, we're gonna see how it is, probably give you guys a little bit of a glimpse, and let you guys know how we think of it after.
Let's go.
So, how'd you like the ride?
I really love the ride. It was really fun. It smelled really good because I love like rides that smell, and it smelled like berries. It smelled like coffee. It smelled like cologne. It was very immersive. I got a lanyard, as you can see, and I want to put my pass in there, but it actually doesn't fit. But we're gonna find like a little hook to put it on here. So yeah, now I can put my little pass in there, and it's
purple, which I love. It's one of my favorite colors. So I'm so excited to show my past. And then I also have my Universal one. The only thing is my Disney one.
I don't even know what it is.
Wow! I got the pink one.
Aww.
Got a Disney.
How cute. Alright guys, so here's a little like photo op that you can actually do. Place your camera in there. You have two people standing in one corner and the other. There will be a picture posted up right here, and it was actually pretty cool. This is in between Ghost Town, railroad tracks, and over here at the school. So if you guys do come to Knott's, you could be able to take that photo op. There you go. And this is for you guys to try since it's your very first time.
Original sarsaparilla. Let's see. You first. This is from Knott's though.
Okay,
Let's see.
okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, that
Good?
is actually good.
Yeah.
Like I can see the root beer resemblance to it.
But it doesn't.
But
right?
it's not as like
It's not as-
dark. You
Yeah,
know what I'm saying? It's kind of
perfect.
sweeter.
Yeah.
This is good. I
Just
would actually
put
get this
in
again.
here with ice.
I would get this again for sure. And we gotta do a cheers, guys. We gotta do a cheers.
Cheers, guys.
We're here in Ghost Town, and it's only right that we start
only
drinking the
right.
sarsaparilla
Yup.
here in Ghost Town. Give it a little taste test. See how good this thing is.
Yeah.
Smooth.
Guys, cheers. So my love, are you having a great time?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm scared though. We're gonna go on Jaguar.
Alright guys, so Kanani didn't want to go on Jaguar with us. She's scared. Unfortunately, during nighttime, she can't go on roller coasters. Even though it's not that bad, I would say this is like Goofy Sky School or Red DCA, but still, she doesn't feel comfortable yet. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. Say hi, Ohana.
Lifter. Lifter. I'm right here.
I got two cameras in my hand! Sorry, Ohana, if you can't see!
Not really a drop, but it's like a slow little. It's like a big downhill.
Guys, the ride is really not that bad. You guys have to hit the like. Let's get 50 likes on this vlog so that we can get Kanani on Jaguar.
Lifter.
Except we didn't have one human with us.
This Lifter.
This
I
nifter.
will see you.
Guys, so before we leave Knott's, we gotta say goodnight to one person. Pretty sure you guys know who this person is. Guys, it's Sad Eye Joe. He's so sad. It's okay, we'll be back again, Sad Eye Joe. Soon, this whole entire area is going to be filled with monsters. It's gonna be full of fog. You won't be able to see nothing over here. And I think these guys are actually ready for Scared Farm.
I'm actually pretty excited for Scared Farm.
It's actually gonna be their first time.
Yep.
Or
Steve is over there.
somewhere.
If they're back there.
He's still over there.
Alright guys, so this ends our adventure here at Knott's Berry Farm. We hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.
Yes.
the adventure that we had, not only with ourselves but with the Sky Fam as well too. I think it was a really good experience to actually go with a group, especially most importantly with Ohana.
Yes, I had so much fun, and maybe next time I'll get on Jaguar because I was super scared because it was in the dark, but because it was loud. But I think next time I'll go on it during the day. So tune in for that. And yes,
50 likes on this video, and Kanani gets to go on with us. But there is a little bit of a twist. She doesn't prefer to go at night. She prefers going the day. She's a little bit more comfortable.
yeah, so much fun here with our friends, and I'm glad they came with us today. And it was our very first day back at Knott's Berry Farm, and we had so much fun. And I can't wait to come back again and get all the little goodies here. Maybe get a little Snoopy, and yeah, and have more food because the food that we had it didn't really fill my belly. So maybe next time I can find something that fills my belly next time.
Yeah. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys haven't, hit the sub button. We would love to see the Ohana grow. But most importantly, if you guys like the content, go and hit that like button. But most importantly, on that bell, those post notifications is what's gonna help with you keeping updated over here on Onani Vibes.
Yes.
So guys, once again, this is Alan.
And Kanani.
And as always, guys, stay vibin'.
Get ready, guys. Here we go. Here we go. I am not going.
It smells like berries. Come on, let you cut your words.
Keep a look.
The backside of water! Guys, that was really not that bad. Kanani didn't really want to go on.